Hello everybody, welcome to the Orlando Hamcation. This is going to be a tour video of the outside area. This will be the west side tailgate, the very large tailgate. We're just going to do a quick tour of part of it. Won't be able to cover it all in this video, but we'll cover a good portion of it and just take a walk through to show you the layout of the land. There are other videos online that for the looking at the equipment a little closer. If something's interesting, we'll be sure to stop and check it out, but I'm going to give you a layout of the land, take a little walking tour of the Orlando Hamcation tailgate outside area. So thanks for coming along with me on this adventure. All right, here's a booth for satellite demonstrations. Whether we have a satellite pass, this is a good place to stop. Lots of RV parking out here as well. This is the north RV lot out here. There's not really any selling going on here. All right, back to the tailgate.
That puts them nationwide. Well, you can figure that out. Huh?
All right, we're at the north end of the tailgate section here. There's more tailgating over here. But this is the amphitheater for the Orlando Fairgrounds. We'll go take a quick look up here. There's nothing related to the HAMFEST up here, but we'll just take a little tour of it since we're here. All right, here's your Orlando Fairgrounds amphitheater. Nice view off to the north. All right, this gives us a great view of the actual HAMFEST. We've got a little bit of a RV area camping RV area over here. And starting right over here, we got rows of tailgate. That is the bathrooms over there. Then we got more tailgating down here and tailgating all in the distance. There's a little road here, several aisles of tailgate. Then all along this road, several aisles of tailgate as well. Then over here on the side, this is going to be the used equipment building, known as the swaps building. Way in the distance is food, and then the hall with the commercial stuff's way in the distance. You can kind of see it in the distance there by that distant American flag over there. So that's a layout of your 2025 Orlando Hamcation Hamfest. Let's continue taking a quick walk through the tailgate area.
You got a 10? Give you a call. I'm really clean. Like $20.
This is one of the main roads into the fairground, and tailgating is set up on both sides of it. There's also another main road into the fairgrounds too. They're kind of side by side, and there is also tailgating on this one also. Here's a bunch of tubes.
This goes into production because it's really simple. It's really easy, very, very powerful too. Because it also has main system,
Take it out of the bag. It keeps getting dusty. We put it in the bag.
Deep cut on the south end. There's a self-supporting tower there. The radio station. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, he was trying to get it.
Yeah.
Remember the hoarder thing, we got to keep
Switched everything on. I built the whole.
All right, so that's a quick tour of the outside tailgate area at your Orlando Hamcation 2025. Be sure to check out my other videos of tours of the other areas of the Hamcation. Thanks for watching.